Hey you guys, what's up? It's Tash. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I am on video number 2. So I know I'm looking a little crazy. We are getting ready to head out for some errands. And so I'm like, I gotta get ready anyways. What I had on was a little too crazy to go out in public and for a doctor's appointment. So I took all of that off. I redid my eye makeup using the Sultry palette. If you guys are interested, comment below and I'll do a tutorial on the eye look. It's a pretty basic little smoky eye. But I have been wearing a foundation on the down low and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. It's not brand new, but it's new to me. And I'm really surprised by how much I love this foundation. I've been wearing it for about a week and a half. And yeah, I love it. It's beautiful. So if you are interested in seeing what foundation I am talking about, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so first things first, my skin has been moisturized with the Touch of Dewy Skin Primer, or the Dewy Skin Cream, or whatever it is. And then I guess I put everything away. I also went in with a little bit of a hydrating primer. I used the City Color Oil Primer, and then I also used, what did I use for my pores? Ooh, I used the Joah pore primer. So I will link everything down below that I just mentioned. And now for the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Just kidding. So today we're going to be going in with the Clinique Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup. This is what the packaging looks like. Now again, mine's a little dirty. I have been using this like, damn, what's the word I'm looking for? Faithfully. I have been using this faithfully. Mine is in the shade Sand, so it's C9 or CN90 Sand M, so medium. It is a perfect skin match for me, and we're just going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit so that you can see the coverage. Now, the back of the packaging, including the box, says allergy tested, 100% fragrance free, sheer to moderate coverage with a luminous finish. Skin looks lit from within instantly and over time. Oil free, shake well. Now, I will tell you guys that I get more of a sheer, or more than a sheer coverage with this. Now, I do use a little bit more than you probably should, but it is buildable and it is beautiful. It does not get cakey. It does not settle into my laugh lines, and you guys know everything settles into my laugh lines. So come on in. I'm gonna bring you guys in just about right here, and I'm gonna let you guys see me apply this. So it is a little squeezy tube, which I love. And I'm just going to start out with about this much. It is kind of a thickish, yet still kind of a runny consistency. Now, I like to apply mine with a foundation brush. And then if there's anything that needs to be, you know, patted out, I'll just go in with a sponge. But usually it's just a foundation brush. So starting on this side, you guys can see, if you are new here, I do have acne scarring. I do wear glasses, so I have some scarring here from my glasses and acne scarring over here. So let's go ahead and start on this side. See that perfect match? Oh. Now the lighting in here, I have studio lights and my ring light so that you guys can really see. To me, the lighting makes it look a little bit lighter, but it is a perfect shade match. So if you are a skin twinsy, your shade is Sand Girl. Now, I do not recall the price of this, guys. I will link that down below as well so that you can check that out. So here is one layer. I think it's beautiful. Now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I layer it up. I usually do 2 coats of this, 2 layers. And I like to stipple it a little bit, especially in the areas where I do have acne scarring, because it does help to cover up better. And then the rest of it, I just kind of brush it out. And it does give you a little bit more of a sheer coverage in those areas. But I'm telling you, using a brush is going to give you the best coverage. If you go in with this with a sponge, that sponge is going to soak this up and you are going to get the very sheer coverage. But if that's what you're wanting, you know, for the summertime, then hey girl, do you. So as you guys can see, I build this up to about a medium coverage. And that's what I like. Like I said, it does not get cakey on my skin. But do you see that glow, girl? Now, because I want it to stay glowy and dewy and really youthful and radiant looking, I very lightly set this with a powder, and I always set it with a luminous powder. So I usually use either my Physicians Formula, you can use the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder, anything that has a bit of radiance to it. Oh my god, just a very light layer, and this lasts all day long. And girl, I mean all day long, like even in the heat. Oh my god, I love this stuff. So this is going to be one that I am going to really enjoy throughout the summer because I cannot believe the lasting power on this. And y'all know how I sweat. I sweat a lot due to the, due to the menopause and my meds. I am going in with just a little bit more. We're going to do the forehead. As I said, I do use quite a bit. But so far, it's lasting me pretty well. This bottle is still pretty full, and I have been wearing this for, like I said, about a week and a half, and I love it. I've gotten so many compliments on my skin. It's because, you guys, when you wear this, they can't tell you're wearing makeup. It's so light on the skin. Like, it feels like you just applied a moisturizer, and it is so pretty. So, I'm going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer and the rest of my face, and then let you guys decide what you think. But overall, I think it's beautiful. You know, this is something that I could just pop on my face with my fingers, you know, and then maybe go in to these areas here where I need more coverage and just kind of stipple with a brush a little bit and go out the door. Like, I wouldn't care if I didn't have any other makeup on. It's that beautiful. It's so beautiful, you guys. I do. I love it. I love this stuff. We'll be right back. All right, you guys. So this is the finished look. Woo, I'm loving how everything turned out. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys think the foundation looks. Again, I went in with the Clinique Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup, and mine is in the shade Sand M. This stuff is really, really beautiful. My face still feels very lightweight. I actually went in with a little bit of my Physicians Formula Youth Wear Powder. Now, again, I do know that Physicians Formula no longer sells this. It is discontinued. However, you can still buy it on Amazon, eBay, Mercury, sometimes Macari, however you say it. And yeah, so I'm just going to finish up going in with a little bit of highlighter, even though I really don't need it, because this is so glowy. Oh, you guys, I love it. I do. I love it. And again, it'll last all day. Now, we are getting ready to go out and run some errands, and it is quite warm here. Let's see. It says it's 80 degrees outside, so that's gonna make me sweat profusely. So I will come home and do a check-in. Now my lip is going to be wore off because I put a matte liquid lip on, and then I went in with a buxom gloss. So, but I will show you guys how the foundation is doing. So I will be back in just a YouTube minute. All right, you guys, so this is the check-in that I was going to do on this foundation by Clinique, the Even Better Glow Light Reflecting Makeup with an SPF of 15. Again, if I didn't mention it earlier, you do get the standard 1 full ounce. All right, you guys, so it is 80-something degrees outside, almost 90. It's hot. I've been sweating, and I just have to say that the only part that has worn off is right here where my nose pads go on my glasses. Generally, most foundations, powders, anything like that, where the glasses tend to touch my face sometimes on this rim area here, it will make an indentation here, and my foundation will be gone. So it's really surprising to me that this one does not do that. It's still covering really, really well. Like if we were to go out to dinner, I probably wouldn't touch my face up, and if I was going to do anything, I would just add a little bit of concealer under my eyes, pat it out, and go. Like, I probably wouldn't even set it because there's still foundation and powder on, or maybe even just spray my face with some setting spray. That's probably all I would do. I really, really like this. It is super long wearing for me. And price, we're going to talk price. Price-wise, this will set you back $29, which I think is, if I'm keeping it real, I think $29 is a lot for a foundation. However, There are other foundations that we spend so much more money on, like $40, $39, $54, $52. So I mean $29. That's a little more affordable in my opinion. And I am one of those people that's in the spot right now. $29 is a lot of money, you know, so I completely feel you. But if you're using this just in the summertime, it's probably going to last you for at least 2 summers. I don't see the shelf life on here. It's probably on the box, but I think most foundations are standard to where when you open them, they expire, what is it, like a year from then? I really can't remember, so don't quote me. You can buy this on the Clinique website for $29. You can get it at Macy's. Macy's always has deals, so I would find a coupon code. That's what I do when I shop on Macy's, so I never pay full price for anything. Even if it's $5 that you saved, girl, you better go and get your coupon. My favorite place to use is Retail Me Not. I will link their website down below so you guys can check them out if you have never used them. I also am a big Ebates girl. I love Ebates. You can shop through Ebates, and not only can you use coupons on the website of your choice that you're shopping with, you can get cash back on every purchase. So Ebates does a lot of promos where they'll give like 14% cash back, 15% cash back, 8% cash back. Sometimes it's only 4% cash back, but nonetheless, it is money back in your pocket from things you were already going to buy. So I also have a link down in the description box for Ebates if you're interested in checking them out. It is completely free to use them, and all you're doing essentially is going to Ebates, logging in. You're going to find the store that you want to shop at, whether you have to search for it or just scroll, and you're going to click on it. It's going to create a shopping trip for you, and it takes you directly to the website. Boom, you shop, you're done. That's it. It's super easy. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I thoroughly enjoy this foundation. I think it is beautiful on the skin, and I really think that this would wear beautifully on any of you guys that have normal to dry skin. If you're oily, I don't know if I would check this one out. I think that because it's so dewy and luminous, it's really going to make you look like a grease ball. So just keeping it real. All right, you guys, before I get out of here, if you're new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that before you leave today, you will hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that YouTube's going to notify you each time I upload, which is 3 times a week on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace out.